Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use SSH public key authentication. This method offers a significantly more secure way to access remote servers compared to traditional passwords. It relies on a pair of cryptographic keys, a public key stored on the server, and a private key kept securely on your local machine. This setup allows for passwordless logins, enhancing both security and convenience for your remote connections. First, let's generate your SSH key pair. Open your terminal or command prompt and type SSH keygen. Press Enter to accept the default file location, typically in your user's .ssh directory. You can also set a strong passphrase for your private key, adding an extra layer of security. This passphrase will be required only once per session when the key is first used. Now, we need to copy your newly generated public key to the remote server. The easiest way is using the ssh-copy-id command. Simply type ssh-copy-id username at your server IP. You will be prompted for your server password one final time. This command automatically places your public key into the server's //authorized keys file, enabling future passwordless access. With your public key now on the server, logging in is straightforward. Just use the familiar SSH username at your server IP command. You will notice that you are no longer prompted for a password. Your private key on your local machine automatically authenticates you with the server. This provides a much faster and more secure way to manage your remote connections, saving you time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.